Are you tired of doing a job that completely drains your energy, is bad for your mental health, and still does not pay you enough? Making money online can seem daunting, but I'm here to break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or replace your full-time job, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's dive into this comprehensive guide on how to start making money online today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, and you'll be ready to take your first steps towards financial independence. Ready? Let's jump into the first step. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. This is crucial because aligning your money-making efforts with your strengths and passions will not only make the process more enjoyable, but also increase your chances of success. Take some time to think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you a talented writer, a graphic designer, or perhaps you have a knack for teaching? Maybe you're great at organizing, love crafting, or have a passion for photography. Write down all the skills you have and the activities you enjoy. Think about skills like writing, graphic design, web development, teaching, or even hobbies like photography and crafting. Identifying these will guide you in the right direction. Consider the feedback you've received from others about your strengths. What do people ask you for help with? What activities make you lose track of time because you enjoy them so much? Once you have a comprehensive list of your skills and interests, it's time to evaluate them. Which of these can be translated into an online service or product? Remember, the goal is to find something that you not only excel at, but also enjoy doing. This alignment will keep you motivated and persistent, which are key factors in successfully making money online. Now that we've laid this foundation, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Research online money-making opportunities. There are countless ways to make money online, and it's important to find the ones that align with your skills and interests. Here are some popular options. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Selling products on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. Creating and selling online courses on Udemy or Teachable. Starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing with ads or sponsorships. Affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Remote customer service or virtual assistant roles. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate. Once you've done your research and found a few options that interest you, it's time for the next step. Step 3. Create a plan and set goals. It's crucial to have a clear plan of action and set realistic goals for yourself. Start by deciding how much time you can dedicate to your online endeavors each day or week. Write down your short-term and long-term goals. For example, you might aim to earn $500 in your first month or reach 1,000 followers on your blog within 3 months. Having specific goals will keep you motivated and on track. Next up is the fun part, getting started. Step 4. Take action and start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 methods that interest you the most and start there. If you're freelancing, create profiles on a couple of platforms and start bidding on projects. If you're selling products, list a few items and see how they perform. Starting small allows you to test the waters and learn the ropes without feeling overwhelmed. As you gain confidence and experience, you can scale up your efforts. Now that you've taken the plunge, it's important to keep improving. Step 5. Learn and adapt. The online world is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and continuously improve your skills. Follow industry blogs, join online communities, and take courses to stay ahead of the curve. Resources like Skillshare, Coursera, and industry-specific forums can be incredibly valuable. Networking with others in your field can also provide insights and opportunities you might not find on your own. Finally, let's talk about staying persistent and patient. Step 6. Stay persistent and patient. Making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. There will be challenges and setbacks, but don't get discouraged. Keep pushing forward and stay committed to your goals. Remember, every successful online entrepreneur started where you are now. With persistence and determination, you can achieve your goals too. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money online. Identify your skills, research opportunities, create a plan, take action, keep learning, and stay persistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out.